How to fix camera zoom not working on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the SkyTech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix if your iPhone camera zoom not working on iOS 18. So, wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the camera zoom problem, first thing first, take your camera settings. Simply go and open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down, tap on camera right over here, and inside the camera just need to scroll down and you might get to see the option called lens correction. I don't have this option right over here, but if you have the lens correction, be sure to turn off the lens correction from here, and right after that just get back to the main settings, and from here scroll down, tap on screen time right over here, and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction, and be sure to turn up the content privacy restriction from here. Now once you're done, just get back to your home screen and restart your iPhone once. And once you have restarted your iPhone, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did this but you're still having the problem, then the very next thing that you need to do, open up the settings application once again from your device, and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone as soon as possible. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here into the general and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings, and then put your password right over here, and then tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it'll get back to the default. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved and your camera zoom will start working. And this is how you can fix the problem. I hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.